Hey everybody, I'm Gail with Masterpiece Shirts. This is our family business. This is our new creature. This is a premium hoodie from 1 Corinthians 5:17. And premium hoodie is because the outside is 100% cotton. That really helps this graphic be so sharp and bold. This hoodie is probably about 6 months old. It's actually my daughter's hoodie. She's worn it several times, been through several washes. And then on the inside, these hoodies are actually polyester and cotton blend, and so they're very comfortable. And you can see here, the front of this hoodie has a nice butterfly with a nice cross. It's really sharp. And these are really nice hoodies. These go up to size 3XL, and they are a little bit snug. So if you like a loose fit hoodie, you might want to size up one. This is another premium hoodie. This is our Behold Behemoth from the book of Job. If you know anything about Job, this is awesome. Got all kinds of sharp images on here, dinosaurs. And in the front, I love this front. Got some more dinosaurs right there on the front. Again, premium hoodie. These are great. This is my favorite. This is our awesome Lion of Judah hoodie, Revelation 5:5. If you don't know, Lion of Judah represents Jesus Christ, and that's what this is about. And then the front of this just has a simple cross on it. But again, premium hoodies. Maroon ones are some of my favorite ones, but I really like these. Now these are what I would call our classic hoodies. They are 50/50 cotton polyester. Our hoodies go up to 5XL for the classic ones. Premiums go up to 3XL. God Rescued Me. This is one of our brand new ones. Probably released this a couple weeks ago. This is military green. This is also a 4XL, but again, it goes up to size 5XL. This here, another one of my favorites, Psalms 23:4. Everybody, hopefully you're familiar with this verse. I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. And then on the front we have fear no evil right there. Psalm 23:4. And then we got the little staff right there. This is one of our newer shirts. This is Forgiven, 1 John 1:9, just real simple shirt. There's our Forgiven shirt. This one here, My Brain, is 80% Christian music. This one here, this is a Comfort Colors shirt. If you're familiar with Comfort Colors, a little bit heavier t-shirt. We have Follow Me and I Will Make You Fishers of Men. Really like this shirt here. Really putting out the verse reference, Matthew 4:19. And all these shirts are ring spun cotton. Very, very comfortable shirts. Really well made. And the ring spun cotton helps the graphics show up better. Yeah, 100% cotton. It helps really well. And we have the Real Unicorn shirt. If you don't know, in the Bible it talks about unicorns, but it's not the unicorns you think about. It's rhinoceroses. And there's a lot more information on it. I'd love to share it with you if you ever send us an email. I got a video on all that. This here, the Lord shall fight for you, Exodus 14:14, and ye shall hold your peace. This one here is also, this is another 4XL. And again, this one is a really nice shirt. Comes in all sizes, all the way up to 5XL. And so this here is our hot one right now. This is our most popular shirt at this time. My King died for me, John 3:16. So very, very popular shirt. I know this is the navy shirt. Purple one is probably the most popular. This one here is navy. We got this one here, all about creation. He made the stars also. That's talking about Genesis 1:16. And there's billions of stars, and yet the Bible says God made them also. But they matter because God made them. This here is another hot one among the teenagers. Be strong and courageous, Joshua 1:9. We've got Lost, Seek Jesus. This is another one of mine. I really like this one too. Lost, Seek Jesus. We hope you know Jesus. That's the number one reason for life. And then one of our last ones here, Thy Word is a lamp unto my feet. We have over 180 designs right now on our website, masterpieceshirts.com. We'd love to have you as a customer. Thank you.